Best application to hide personal data. At first glance, this is just a normal calculator application. But the owner needs you to enter the correct password that has been agreed upon in advance. You will access the main functionality of the application. You can import images, video, and more into this application. Just tap plus button and choose images on your phone to import. Example, we'll import this images. Do the same with video. Once you have hidden your personal data, you can exit the application. When opened again, it's just a normal calculator application. You can delete images and videos included in the application. At this time, the image has been deleted from the library, but is still saved in the hidden application. Select the image to save to the phone gallery. Tap Save to save image to phone gallery if you want. Install application on your phone. Link download application in video description. You also can find Tella app on Google. This is an Android open source app. Tap to download application. Waiting for download completed. Tap to install Tella application on your phone. Open and first setup application. Choose PIN and enter your 6-digital passcode. Confirm your PIN. Now go to Tella, then import any personal data you want hide. Tap Settings to disguise Tella app as Calculator app. Enter your PIN. There are 2 solutions for security in Tella. Select a different name and logo, or hide behind a calculator app. Exit Tella to confirm. Now open Tella. You will see Calculator app. A calculator app with normal functions. But you only need to enter the correct personal password and press the equals key. You will access data hidden inside Tella. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.